Hello guys, this is Hard Reset Info, and today I will show you how to use tilt shift filter on Snapseed. To use tilt shift filter, we go to Tools. Here we choose Lens Blur, and here we click this dot icon to change it. And now I can drag the blue dot to change the positioning of the filter. I can use my two fingers to adjust it like this. And I can drag my finger from right and to left to adjust the blur strength. Right now I can save my image and it's done. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and see you next time.